Ringkat ke jingkular ban Ïakren bat kibor sorkar ban penyo ya ke Madan kai cricket ha ke Jaka bala long try da ke Shillong Nongthymmai Umsning Ribhoi district u president ke Meghalaya Cricket Association MCA u James PK Sangma bolong MLA barem bat ubat teng ru kumu menteri barem ke sorkar jela ulale jingo ya ke khandau long try da ke Shillong ke badan ke jinghe kumba arpo hunriu ikar tamai Yo James lesson ran lang daw rang ba Shillong ka Nongthymmai uba Marshal Nongsli ban le jingo ikate ka khando ha ka arpoi tri uleber arhajar arpundriu haringkat ka jinga don lang u vice president ka RBDCA uba Dipol Rinta Thiang u president ka CRCA uba Don Kupar Sumer u vice president ka CRCA uba Rocky Augustin Marwen ki noilam Shillong Nongthymmai bat kiwe James habakran hayeng dor bar Shillong ha ka jinga lang balingkot bala pediang burami ulapen pau ka jing sngongo ya ki bor Shillong ki blaterwa ban ai ya ka khando ka bayar ban tai ya ka Madan cricket ula ong bahagi ni kisngi khamniar ban yo ki Jaka bahe na ka banta ki Madan ni lekai ki ban le se lada ka orlong ban shim da ka jing ai ka Shillong kan long ka jingger khu bat kan wan ra ru shipon ki jing man toy ki balong shibanta ki kampan roi hapo ka Shillong borok away.
And that's why today I feel so happy and I'm so thankful to the village of Nongthymmai for this very, very big and important step that they have taken in donating land free of cost, and that to 2 to 3 hectares of land, which is not a joke. It is a very big parcel of land which I feel has the potential to be developed into not just a cricket ground, but much more than that, with many, many more facilities that can go along with that cricket ground. And I am so thankful to Bob Marshall and to all the members of the Dorbar for this really kind gesture of theirs. And I know that they are doing this with the vision that the youth of not just this village, but the entire district can come and play on this ground, can get an opportunity to improve upon their skills, to get exposure by participating in various tournaments. And this is such a wonderful vision. And I am that way would like to congratulate the villagers of this locality, Nongthymmai village, for having such broad-minded leaders with that kind of vision to look forward that it is the need of the hour for the youth to have these kind of opportunities and facilities available to them. So that kind of vision is something that we are so happy and we feel very proud also at the same time that the kind of leadership is there that is willing to look at how little bit of sacrifice is going to go a long way in helping and developing talent that our youngsters and our youth have. So thank you so much, Marshall, and thank you to all the members of the Dorbar for this really kind gesture of yours. I don't have anything else to offer you except my prayers. May God bless all of you with good health, with more wisdom, and with lots and lots of happiness and success in the near future for not just you, but your families and your children, the children of this village especially. So thank you so much for Marshall. God bless you. And I would like to also, at the same time, give an assurance from my side, from Marshall, that I, as the president of Meghalaya Cricket Association, we are always looking for cricket associations that have their own ground or infrastructure available with them so that we can develop that as MCA. So this is a great start, and if the Central Ribhoi Cricket Association have that kind of a land available to them, this is what we need as MCA to develop cricket, and I assure not just the Central Ribhoi Cricket Association but also the Dorbar that we will give our 100% and our help to the association and to your for whatever way that we can develop this ground. Not just that, me on a personal level also, I will also be taking this up with our Honorable Chief Minister, my brother, so that the government can also, on their part, or from their part, also help in whatever way possible from the sports and youth affairs department.
habatin pej bahaki kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khaw kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya